Good morning students. Today we'll start chapter 4 cubes and cube roots. I'll explain what is meant by cube. For any number m, m multiplied by m is called cube of m or m cube, and it is written as m raised to the power 3. Thus, m multiplied by m is equal to cube of m, which is equal to m raised to the power 3. Cube means what? The product of number. How many times? 3 times you are taking. So, if you are taking the product of any number 3 times, so that is called cube of m or m cube, and it is written as m raised to the power 3. For example, cube of 5, we can write 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3 means product of 5 3 times, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, so cube of 5 is 125. Another example, cube of 8, we can write 8 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 512. Now third example, cube of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 multiply with the minus 4, take minus common, in bracket 4 multiplied by 4, so 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, so cube of minus 4 is minus 64. Now we'll see important note. First, cube of positive number is always positive and the cube of negative number is always negative. You can see the example here. 8 is a positive number, so cube of that positive number is 512, which is positive. You can see the negative number minus 4, whose cube is negative. Now second, cubes of odd natural numbers are odd. You consider odd number and find out the cube of that odd number, so you will get the odd number only. So 1 cube is equal to 1, 3 raised to the power 3, or 3 cube is 27, which is odd. 5 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 125, which is odd number. So therefore cubes of odd natural numbers are odd. Now third one, cubes of even natural numbers are even. 2 is even number, so cube of 2 is 8, which is even. 4 is even number, so cube of 4 is 64, which is even. 6 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 216, so cube is even. Now we'll see next definition. Perfect cube. The cube of a number is called a perfect cube. I'll read again. The cube of a number is called a perfect cube. For example, consider the number 6. So 6 raised to the power 3 or 6 cube is equal to 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 6 are 36, 36 multiplied by 6, so which is equal to 216. So this implies that 216 is a perfect cube. Means cube of a number is called a perfect cube. So here 216 is a perfect cube. Another example, 15 cube. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 3375. So 3375 is a perfect cube of number 15. Now conversely, a given number is a perfect cube if it can be expressed as the product of triplets of equal factors. See, conversely what they said, if given number uh, we have to see that the given number is a perfect cube or not. So the given number is a perfect cube if we can express it as the product of triplets of equal factors. We'll see one example. For example, you consider the number 216. So we'll check this is a perfect cube or not. So first we'll find out the factors of 216. 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 eights are 16, then again 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, again 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, then 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So I'll write 216 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Again we have to find out the product of triplets of equal factors. So I'll select 1, 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3, this is one pair. Then these 2 with 3, 2 multiplied by 3. Then these 2 with 3, 2 multiplied by 3. So which is equal to 3 twos are 6 multiplied by 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. See, this is the product of triplets of equal factors. So which is equal to 6 raised to the power 3. So which is equal to product of triplets of equal factors. So therefore you can say that 216 is a perfect cube. Now we'll see the exercise of this chapter. Exercise 4A. First question, find the cube of first 7, second 11, third 16, fourth 54. Solution. Here we have to find out the cube of these numbers. So first, cube of 7 is equal to 7 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 sevens are 49 multiplied by 7. So 7 nines are 63, 3 carry 3, 6 carry, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 6, 34. So cube of 7 is 343. Second, cube of 11 is equal to 11 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. 11 multiply with the 11, the product is 121 multiply with the 11. I'll do the product here. 121 multiply by 11. 11 ones are 11, 1 carry. 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 1 23, 3, then 2 carry. 11 ones are 11 plus 2 12 13. So 1331. So cube of 11 is 1331. Now we'll see third one. Cube of 16, which is equal to 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 16. 16 multiplied by 16, first we have to do, we know the 16 square is 256, multiply with the 16. So 256 multiply with the 16, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 5 are 30 plus 3 33, then 3 carry, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 3 15, then multiply, 1 6 are 1 5 are 1 2 are 6, 6 plus 3 9, 5 5 10, 1 2 plus 1 3 4, so 4096. So the cube of 16 is 4096. Now we'll see next question, question 2 of this exercise 4a. Find which of the following are perfect cubes. First one 243, second one 588, third one 1331, fourth one 24,000. I'll take first 243. We have to find out which of the following are the perfect cubes. We'll check first 243 is a perfect cube or not. Solution. First we'll find out the factors of 243. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. So sum of these 3 digits is 9, so it is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are, again it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6 2 remaining, 2 7s are 21, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So therefore 243 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. See, so here 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, then 3 multiply with 3. Here only 1 means here the triplet of number again 3 is not formed, since triplet of number 3 is not formed. So therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. See here, if the given number is a perfect cube, so you have to express this number as the product of triplets of equal factors, but here triplet of number 3 is not formed, so therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. Now we'll see the second or third one. We'll see 1331. First we'll find out the factors. 1331. We have to check that this number is divisible by which number. See, see, 11 ones are 11, 13 minus 11 2, then 3, so number is 23, 11 twos are 22, 23 minus 22 1, so next number 11, 11 ones are 11, then again it is divisible by 11, 11 ones are 11, 12 minus 11 1 remaining, 11 ones are 11, then 11 ones are 11, so therefore 1331 is equal to 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11, so which is equal to 11 cube, which is equal to product of triplets of equal factors. Therefore 1331 is a perfect cube. So students, today we shall stop here. We'll see different varieties of example in next lecture. Thank you.